Hello friends, in this video let's discuss about java.lang out of memory error requested array size exceeds the VM limit. Friends, in our previous video we saw about 9 different types of out of memory error, and the third type is requested array size exceeds VM limit. When do we get this type of out of memory error, right? Look at this. As a developer, when I try to allocate a very large array size, and if there's not enough sufficient memory for the JVM to give that size, then you get this error. Let me show you with the example, it's going to become more clear. Look at this. Here is a sample program. You can see requested array size. There's a program. It has a main method. Here I'm trying to allocate an integer array. I'm saying integer max value. I'm trying to allocate a very large integer array. And say suppose I don't have sufficient memory, I don't have sufficient XMX allocated. Now when I try to execute this program, let me try to execute this program, execute it. Immediately I'm going to get this out of memory error, requested array size exceeds the VM limit. So this is when this error happens. How do you go about troubleshooting it? Friend, this is the most easiest type of out of memory error to troubleshoot, because when this out of memory error is printed, it's going to be, along with that, it's going to print the stack trace where it is happening. So here the stack trace, it reports, okay, it is happening on this class, in this method, in this line, right? This is the line. So the stack trace gets printed. So it is very trivial. You can let's look at this stack trace to see where it is happening, and you can go on and fix it. See friends, no developer will do like this. They're not very stupid. Developers are very smart. They're not going to do like this, kind of allocating a very large size. They're not going to do explicitly. Sometimes accidentally what they may do is they may get, say they're going to a database and they're getting back a records back. And now based on the record size, based on the record's length, they're trying to create an array. And let's say the database is returning, sometimes it returns like a 10 records. What if sometimes they return 10 million records? On the 10 million records, if you're trying to create this array, then you're going to confront this error. But it's very trivial to troubleshoot it. Just look at where it is happening, the stack trace. Stack trace tells where it is originating. Then we can go ahead and fix it, right? So now, just giving a quick recap. What causes this java.lang out of memory error, requested array size exceeds the VM limit? When, as a developer, we are trying to allocate a larger array size than the heap, then you are going to get this error. What is the solution to that? The solution is try to fix the code which is trying to allocate that large array size, right? If that is one option. The second option is, say if it's genuine that you need such a large array, then try to increase your XMX, your heap size. What is the artifact that you need to troubleshoot it? All you need is just, if you're catching that out of memory and logging it, you just need application log, or if it's going to the standard error stream, you just need it, right? The logs, that's what one you need. You don't need any tools to troubleshoot this type of out of memory error. Okay. Thank you, friends.